morning time. One, I am a early bird, so I usually wake up early, and when I do it, I feel energy too. Uh, I usually have light breakfast, and I try to memorize some vocabulary or formula of physical, math, and chemistry. I think if I learn it in early morning, I can memorize it fast, free. To be honest, when I was young, I usually got up late and I don't have a fixed schedule for. No, although I have a fixed schedule, but it changes every day so that I don't feel constrained. Evening time. One, I really like evening because in the evening I have more free time so I can unwind and de-stress too. Uh, I usually do homework and spend spend time for myself so I can do my hobby free in my childhood memory. I usually went out with my friends in the evening. We played some traditional games such as rồng rắn lên mây, trốn tìm, for. No, I spend them differently. Uh, on which day I usually stay at home to study or relax because I am tired after a long day. But on weekends, I often go out with my friends or spend quality time with my family because I have more free time